Hello everyone, welcome to Baralugadaha channel. This video will be the first tutorial of learning Somali language for beginners in our channel. Baralugadaha channel will be uploading Somali speaking tutorials that's based on daily life conversations which will help you to speak Somali language with people you meet or with your friends, or even with your boyfriend or girlfriend if they speak Somali. So let's get into it. Iska waran, iska waran, iska waran, or se tahay, iska waran, se tahay, iska waran, or se tahay means how are you? Iska waran or setai, you can say both of them, skawaran or setai. When you want to reply that person who asked you skawaran, you can say wan fi'nahay, wan fi'nahay. We read C like a, wan fi'nahay, I'm good. Adiguna setai. What about you? Adiguna setai. Adiguna se tahay. What about you? Adiguna se tahay. Then you'll say, when the person asks you what about you, you can reply aniguna wan fi' nahay. Aniguna wan fi' nahay. Aniguna wan fi' nahay. I'm also good. Barasho wanaagsan, barasho wanaagsan, barasho wanaagsan. Barasho wanaagsan means nice to meet you, nice to meet you. Barasho wanaagsan, nice to meet you. Barasho lamid ah, barasho lamid ah, nice to meet you too. Barasho lamid ah, nice to meet you too. And that was it for today, guys. If you like this video, please thumbs up and subscribe for more videos. See you in our next tutorial.